Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you. Here are some tips if your PC starts to overheat. What do you do? Number one, check and clean the fans. If you feel very little or no air, then dust may have accumulated on the fan, or maybe it's broken. You can open the machine and blow the dust with some relatively cheap compressed air. You should be able to find them on Amazon or at your local computer store. On the note about the fan, number two, don't put your laptop on anything like a cushion when it's switched on. Instead, number three, elevate your laptop. Try a laptop stand. If you don't have one, there's a bunch on Amazon. Check out Amazon for all your computer needs. Number four, check your activity monitor. Some apps stop responding and some are just resource hungry. Try to find and close resource hungry apps. Go to Finder, Applications, Utilities, and then close it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you, everybody. Just a little reminder, some things that'll help you. Check out our YouTube channel for other activities that we're going to be doing and talking about. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.